Ang aking punsitya. Wala nang bulaklak ang aking punsitya. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan, ang aking punsitya. Natunaw na siya, nabula. Ayan. Hey guys, yan na yung bulaklak ko. Ayan, natabunan na siya. Bukas na yan, wala na yan. Tapos tingnan nyo guys, ayan. Yan ang aming winter. Namumuti na naman ang aming halamanan. Oh my God. Snowstorm in Montreal. Guys, white Christmas again kami. Ayan. See, sa bakod oh. Balandra oh. Ayan. Pwede na namang maghalo-halo. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Wala nang halamanan. Yan ang aming halaman dito sa gilid. At ito guys, ang aking bulaklak. Wala na tong pag-asa guys. Mamatay na to. Ayan. Anyway, nilamig na ang aking ayan ang aking patatas. Wala na. Ay! Nahulog ang isno. Ayan ang aming hagdan, guys. It's winter ulit. April 5. Snowstorm. 20 centimeter guys. Ayan. Ang ganda tingnan guys. Oh. Tingnan mo yung puno. Ang ganda. Ganda. I really love it. Ayan, may airplane na dumadaan. Ayan, ang chocolate hills namin, oh. Na-covered ng snow. That's beautiful, guys. But inside, look at my garden. Ayan. Sa labas is snow, sa loob it's beautiful, guys. Ayan. Dito lang sa ayan. Alam mo guys, oh, ayan sa labas. Pero dito sa loob, napakaganda ng aking bulaklak. Oh. Guys, tulip yan. Pero sa labas yan ang background. Ganda yung background niya. Guys, inside is a nice flower. Then sa labas, it's snow. Ayan siya. Let us know. Ayan. Guys, maganda ang mga halaman ko sa loob. Hindi ini-snow. Pero ayan siya guys. Oh. Outside the solarium. Ayan. It's all white in Montreal.
Totally. I need my glasses, but it's glare like that. I need my sunglasses.
You get blurred, eh?
No, I squint.
Oh.
My eyes.
Stop, look, and listen. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. They look like a fruit. Oh, this one is gonna fall pretty soon. Ay!
Enough, Nixa.
It didn't take minute, huh? It didn't last. I'm not even finished.
Where am I bringing you to? The Chinese?
Yeah. And then we're going to pick up Mamiya's medicine, vitamin, at the same time.
She's totally useless.
Or maybe I go to... Oh, I didn't bring Mamiya's
What?
credit card at all.
Great.
So you drop me up here and we go to the